Shalom. Today I'm harvesting my collard seeds. These collards have headed, and I'm drying them out to get the seeds out. And I'm gonna take and replant them. I replanted some a couple days ago, and what I do is just take them and you see them falling out. And I gather these up once they're dry. See the seeds that are coming out of them? And as they dry, and I already started another bed for my fall collards. See the seeds just falling out? These are the seeds, and I gather them up. These are collard seeds, and this is the bed that I planted about 3 days ago, and you can see a few of them coming up. See they coming up? And this is how I have plant collards all year round. I put these seeds in the bag. See? These are collards. I gather them in my bag. It's easily done. Once they dry out, you just put them on something where you can collect them. And then once I get finished, I just throw them to the chickens. See, they're in the pods. Once you get all the seeds out of them, you just toss them. Then what I do is just take this and I bag them up. These are the seeds. These are the seeds I harvest from my collards. I got enough to plant. Next year, give away some. And that was easy. Hey, thanks for watching my videos. Everybody have a blessed day.